One officer came and he said, I'm living near to Dubai. Dubai means two brother. Dubai means two brother. One from India and
One
the second
from
one
Iraq.
Iran. They were doing business. Alright. And the people who's living in London, so what is it? उस जगह की जगह का नाम दुबई है. उसने क्या बोला? This place called Dubai. And Dubai. So Dubai came from? So behind a single word have been here. Like what you guys use before your name in Hindi. Hindi में क्या use करते हैं? Before our name, title में. Shriman, Shrimati, right? English, Mr. Mrs. In Arab culture, we use Sheikh for the man and Sheikha for lady. Alright, Sheikh and Sheikha. So the king name is Muhammad. His name is Muhammad. Sheikh Muhammad, Mr. Muhammad, Shriman Muhammad. Have you seen bin? B-I-N. Have you seen this one? Bin? If you not seen, of course, Osama bin Laden. Osama bin Laden. So bin means son of. And his father name is Rashid. His father name is Rashid. So bin Rashid. Sheikh Muhammad, Mr. Muhammad. Bin means son of Rashid. Then Al. Have you seen Al? T-H-E, da. T-H-E, da or the. Like the India Gate, the Chennai. So we guys use Al. Al India Gate, Al Chennai. So Al and the last name is, family name is Maktoum. Family name of the king of Dubai is Maktoum. So Al Maktoum. Sheikh Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Alright? Now got it? Okay? What's your name, gentlemen? Mr. Ram Kumar. You're from Chennai, right? So how can say his name in Arabic style? Sheikh Ram Kumar. Sheikh Ram Kumar. Bin means son of. Your father name son. Ravi Kumar. Sheikh Ram Kumar bin Ravi Kumar Al Chennai. Al Chennai. Al to whatever. You can use your surname, last name, family name or place name. Up to you. So Al. So Mr. Ram Kumar becomes Sheikh, right? So tonight party from his side. Yes, no? Okay, the beautiful ladies in front of me. वो कह रहे कि मेरा नाम बता रहे स्टाइल में. What's your name, madam? Yes. Purnima. So how can say the lady name in Arabic style? Sheikha Purnima. Very good. You know what? In here, before marriage, after marriage, lady can use only her father name, no husband name. Got it? What's your father name, madam? Sheikha Purnima, and instead of bin, we use bint. B-I-N-T. Bint means daughter of. Bin means son of. Bint means daughter of. Sheikha Purnima bint Giridhar Al. After Al, what we use? Last name, family name. Al, your father name. Sorry, again you can put your father name if you want. So Al Giridhar. So Purnima madam become Sheikha. Tomorrow night party from Sheikha side. Yes, no? No party. Alright. On your right hand side, look at from here. Look at, you can see a lot of houses. You can see the back side, lot of houses. Can you see? Yes, no? A lot of houses, very similar. They built very similar style. Same color, same design. Am I right or wrong? I think you're not able to see. Are you able to see from here? Yes. Okay. So why they built similar houses? Anyone, any idea? Same family, very good. Anyone? Any idea? Same family or क्या? Any guess? Same builders, very good. Casa Grande. Okay, look at from here. So why they built similar house? You know what I told you, behind a single words have meaning in Dubai. Alright. Have you seen the local working people here? Yes, no? No. No? Anyone? Madam Sheikha Purnima, have you seen? No?
Yes.
You know, just everybody saw, but not remember. किसी ने बोला आपसे open your eyes, look at their open your eyes. Have you seen somebody say it or no? Once at the airport, immigration though. Some people are wearing the white clothes, black ring top, and they're locals. Locals are working all in government sector. Like police force, army, CID, and all kind of government offices. Locals are working only in the government sector. The foreigners are working private sector. party, that means those belong to this region. All right. So locals are working in the government sector. Okay. In India, which are driving? Which side have a driving? Left or right side? Just opposite. And who will take care of Indian government right now? Who's supreme of Indian government? Mr. Modi. Right or wrong? PM of India. So what the PM of India, other countries say? Those people who are working in India, other country, those getting money.